If you really want to become successful, you must understand that it's more than just credit. Like, yes, of course, you do need a good credit score, but in this game, it takes way more than having just good credit. So you need discipline. You need to take sacrifices. There's things that I have done that no other person on this fucking planet would have done. None of my family members would have ever done it. They would have never taken a sacrifice in order to get to where I'm going. When I first started this shit, I was sleeping on the floor. I slept in a 1-bedroom apartment with 4 people in there, bro. Like, there's so many different things that I have done. I have gotten cars and I've failed. Like, some people will fail one time and give up. Bro, no. I knew from the beginning what my goal was, and no matter what, I have my mind focused on that. You have to stay determined. If you have a goal, it doesn't matter what's going on around you. Some days, bro, I have no money, and then out of nowhere, like a day before or 2 days before, I start manifesting something. I say things like, I am a money magnet. Money is attracted to me. You also have to understand that you are more than money. Like, you are a life force that creates money. You are not the money itself. So anytime that you think that money is more than you, or, oh, this is too expensive, that's what's gonna stop you from being able to get what you want. Now, in this game, I have taken many L's, but I never really call it an L, because what's the next letter after L? And that's an M. Once you take enough L's, you're gonna stumble across an M. And that's what I'm doing. I'm on my way to make multiple M's. But I also realized that if I would have got mentorship earlier, I probably would have got millions of dollars way sooner and way quicker. I know how to get attention. I know how to attract people, but I didn't know how to systemize everything and create a funnel. That's another thing I had to learn the hard way, you know? I was the first person in my family to ever even get a computer. I basically taught myself how to post, create thumbnails, how to do all of these things. But I knew how to get the attention because I've been doing YouTube for a while, but I didn't know how to capture the information. So I didn't know how to just go out there and be like, damn, all right, somebody wants to sign up for my service. Where do I do, where do I put them at? Where do they go? So that whole time I was giving out free information on YouTube so I could help people, but then they wanted to sign up for my services and I didn't know how to do that. Then once I got somewhere where I was like, all right, I'm gonna set up a store, boom, my whole site get taken down. I made 10K in 1 month, the whole site got took down. I'm like, damn, bro, I just now got this shit. I was sleeping on the floor at my bro crib. So that was another one, like that was even worse. We were sleeping at my bro crib on the floor, and then boom, I made 10K trying to move out. Boom, they take my site down. I'm like, damn. I didn't give up. I just kept going, and you feel me? Eventually, I found a way to do it. So yeah, I just want to let y'all know that I know y'all watch me for credit and about money and finances, but it's way more than that. Like, personal development is important too. You have to understand that all of this stuff that is in this reality comes from your mind. If you don't reprogram your mind, you're just gonna do what you've been doing your whole life. You also have to pay attention to who programmed you. Most people get programmed by their parents, their grandparents, or whoever they live with, or whoever their environment is. That's who you got programmed by. Now, you don't have to become a product of your environment. You can create products for your environment and change your whole situation. That's what I did. I learned a certain skill, and then I became an asset in my community. Now what I do is I help my people. I help them get their credit right. I help them get into nice cars too. It all started from me starting reading books though. I ain't gonna lie. Like back then, about 2 or 3 years ago, I was eating books and I wasn't doing anything but eating fruits. Once I learned or got to that point, bro, shit started getting different. But life hit me hard, and then I had to figure out what to do next. So now what I learned from all of this is no matter what you do, life is gonna happen. Do not wait for time, or don't wait for things to happen. You have to go out there and play chess instead of checkers. Y'all waiting for bro to make a move for you to make a move. Nah, make your move, see what they do, boom, make your next move. You gotta play chess, not checkers, bro. If you keep playing checkers in this game, bro, you're gonna lose. That's not what we do. We do not lose, we win. We always win. Hopefully I could give y'all some motivation today so that y'all can go out there and go change your life around. That's what it's really about. Somebody inspired me, and I hope I can inspire you too, because we all got it within us. It's just some of y'all niggas don't believe that shit, number one, because of who's around y'all. You don't have nobody around you who's telling you, oh, you can go do this, you can go do that, oh, we can go do this. People around you are telling you, oh, go get a job. Oh, you should go do this. Oh, don't do that. That's what everybody told me. But you know what I did? I stopped telling people what I was going to do. I just went to go do it. That's it. Once I started doing that, everything changed. And you can change your life too.